this is Aisha of Elaborate Designs by Aisha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm coming to you with another balloon design, and today I'm going to be making a balloon Christmas tree. I love Christmas and I love Christmas trees. So what I have right here, I'm just going to use some things that are some balloons that I already have here at home. I didn't go out and buy anything. So I searched my stash and I had these beautiful red balloons. I've been had these here at home. These are from Party City, these red balloons, and I've been had these for a while now, so I'm going to be using these, and I'm going to be using, I think, 2 packs of them. There are 72 balloons in here, as you see right here. All right, and I'm also going to be using these beautiful silver balloons here, and they are 12 inches, but I'm going to be making them into 5 inches. All right, so the 5 inches is going to be my ornaments to go on my tree. All right, and these also came from Party City, and they are 15 balloons in here. And the stand I have is this one right here. I don't know if you can see it all the way, but I'm going to see if I can show you. All right, all it is, try not to go too high. Okay, if you can see it. But anyway, all it is a lamp stand, and I purchased mine from Target. I noticed Target is the cheapest place to get the lampstands, but I purchased, I think I got 3 of them. So I'm going to be using just one of them to make my balloon tree. All right, so let's get started. All right, y'all, so one thing that I did forget to show you all, I'm going to be topping off my balloon Christmas tree with this cute little Santa Claus with the peppermint here. He is super cute, and the reason why I chose the silver doing the ornaments and the 5-inch silver balloons is because of this color right here. If you can see it, ooh, if I can pull it up. All right, you see around the edges here of his hat is silver. All right, and like right up in here. So I'm just going to be using the red and the silver for the ornaments, and I'm going to be topping this off with this. And I have another one that I may use, but I think I'm going to stick with this one. All right, so let's go. All right, now I'm going to be showing you how to blow up balloons. I have some more videos on how to blow up a balloon, so I'm going to be linking that in the card section as well as in the description box. So if you need to know how to make a balloon garland, or you need to know how to tie a balloon, my last video I showed you how to tie a balloon, so I'm going to link that video also. All right, so first I'm going to show you how to do a 5-inch balloon with the 12-inch balloons, because this is a 12-inch silver balloon, and I'm going to make it into 5 inches to use as my ornament on my tree. And I'm going to be using this hand pump to blow it up with. So I think I'm going to do about 3 to 4 pumps. I don't have like one of those things that you measure to see if it's 5, 6, 12 inches or whatever it may be. So I'm just going to be kind of going off of, you know, the top of my head to see if it's 5 inches. And I think 4 pumps, 3 or 4 pumps will equal to 5-inch balloons. So I'm just going to see, okay? So let's check it and see. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is actually 4 pumps. All right. And I think that kind of equals to a 5-inch balloon. At least I'm going to say it is. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hold it here. All right. And I'm just going to tie it, just so it will stay at this particular you know, size. All right, so this is how it looks, and it has a little tip there, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. All right, so I have finished blowing up some balloons. I may have to blow up some more, but to go ahead and get started, I have blown up and already paired my balloons, and I just have this one right here because this is gonna be my 5th balloon. I'm gonna add 5 balloons to it. So I'm just gonna take them and just twist these together, just like so. All right, and I'm gonna add this, take this one balloon here and just add this into, add this in with the 4 balloons that I have, okay? All right, so this is how it looks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and my 5th one, okay? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it and add it to my pole. This is my pole right here. Again, this is my lamp pole, as you see the bottom of it now. All right, so I'm going to take it and start adding my balloons on it, okay? So let you see how I'm gonna do it. All right, so I'm going to take these 5 balloons. I'm just going to take it and wrap it around the lamp pole right here. All right, so what I'm doing, I'm just continuing to add balloons to it. All right. And once I get up higher, I start making them a little smaller. All right, so I hope you can see that, but I am almost halfway up this lamp pole. All right, so I'm just going to continue to add all the way up, okay? Everyone, so as you see, my daughter is helping me now because I had to blow up some more balloons. All right, so what I did, I had to go and get another couple of these. I told you this is a lamp stand, so I had to go and get some more of these actual little poles that actually screw over into the lampshade. I'm trying to show you what I'm talking about. If you can see these right here, I had to go and get some more to go all the way to the top. Well, it's not all the way at the top, but to make my tree taller. All right, so now what I'm doing, I'm just adding more balloons, and as I go up, I'm making them smaller and smaller as I go up. And I've already added some of these 5-inch balloons right here to make them the ornaments. All right, but that's just to see how it was going to look. So I'm going to show you once I start adding these and the finished look. All right, so I'm going to take you up higher so that you can see as we are putting on more of the balloons. All right, my daughter is going to be doing it. And if you're making this, if you have 2 people to help, that would be great. But if not, 1 person can do it also. But my daughter is here, so I'm going to have her helping me.
Huh? I'm trying to make it real small now.
Real small, okay. Across at the very top. right, so here's my Santa that I'm going to be putting at the top of the tree. And I had to use the electric balloon pump and just give it a couple of pumps because for some reason the hand pump was not doing it. All right, so this is how he looked. And I'm just going to place the Santa at the top so I can let you see. And just take my 260 and just wrap it around the balloon that's here at the top on one side. Pull it around and just take this side right here. Tie the 260 together at the top. All right, everyone, so I completely redid everything when it came to the silver ornaments. I decided not to do that. I took them off and I decided to use ribbon. I had this ribbon from last year. Yeah, the one I used on my Christmas tree last year, but I've had this ribbon probably about 2 years. And it's this red and gold ribbon and it says ho ho ho. All right, so I'm going to be wrapping it around this balloon Christmas tree. All right, everyone, so I'm completely done with my balloon Christmas tree, and I'm going to start here at the bottom and just show you how everything's look. I decided to add this beautiful ribbon to my tree instead of those silver ornaments. And it's a pretty tall tree, as you can see. And there is Santa. He's on his way from the North Pole. All right, so I added him and he's super cute up there. All right, so I'm just gonna give you a look. All right, so I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this balloon Christmas tree that I made. And instead of putting my ornaments on, I decided to wrap it with a ribbon, all right, which turned out beautifully. I am so pleased with my tree. This is my first time ever making this tree. So I hope this gives you some inspiration so that you can make your own tree, all right? Don't forget, on this channel, you will see event decor designs, you will see balloon designs, and you will also see beautiful tablescapes. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Aisha family. All right, I hope that you all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in my next video.